Good morning, dear students. This is the first class of e-summer course for CHSE by Pragati Science College, Bhawanipatna. I welcome you to this course. Before I start, I congratulate you all that you have completed your 10th exam successfully, and I wish a very good result for all of you. Let me introduce myself. I am Chinmaya Guru, lecturer in chemistry, head department of chemistry, academic coordinator of Pragati Higher Secondary School. I have completed my MSc from Sambalpur University, MPhil from Berhampur University, and right now I am continuing my PhD in Berhampur University. Today's video lecture will be based on some doubts that the students have in their mind after completing of 10th exam, and that is the completing 10th exam. In our curriculum you have three options. You can take admission in arts or science or in commerce. This is as a plus 2, or we are saying class 11 and class 12. In every field that has a certain advantages, that it is not like that there is a comparison of arts and science and commerce. This, the peoples having arts, those who are doing well in arts, they have also a very good bright career. In science also you can have a bright career. In commerce also you can have a very bright career. Important is that what or which one you are choosing. But whenever in which or whenever whatever you are choosing, if you are doing well, then definitely you will have a very good career perspective. There is no doubt about that. But as today I belong, or as today I will focus on particularly science. What is the advantage of science over this arts or commerce, or what will help you if you are taking science as a subject after 10th exam, or science as your stream after 10th exam. Now forget about what is science or something else. Let's discuss something about science. That if you are taking science as a career, the most important advantage you will get that after completing the plus 2 you can switch to arts as well as commerce. ତମେ ସାଇନ୍ସ ନେଲା ପରେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଟୁ ସରିଲା ପରେ if you are feeling something uncomfortable, you can easily change your stream to the arts or commerce. But if you are taking science, then you have a very large platform you are getting for your career. Large platform money, you have a number of ways to choose your career. So you can, it is not science, the if you have the science background, then you have many ways open to have a bright career. But if you have arts or commerce, then your career objective is limited. Career objective limited ର ମାନେ ହେଲା ତୁମର ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ career ଗଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ରାସ୍ତା କମି ଯାଉଛି if you are taking arts as a subject or commerce as a subject. But if you have science is your background, ତାହେଲେ ତୁମ ପାଖରେ career ଗଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଅପସନ୍ ରହିଛି. So there are many doubts about the students that sir, after science taking what I will do, ମୁଁ କେଉଁ ଚାକିରି ପାଇବି ବା ମୁଁ କେଉଁଥିରେ ମୋତେ କ'ଣ ହେବ, ଯେମିତି most of the people don't know, particularly in our state. Actually I will say they know that after science I can go for medical or engineering or BSc, but it is not the real thing. If you are taking a science as a subject, then there are many objectives or many lines are there which is open to have a bright career for you. Now in this video we will discuss those area or those lines where you can have your bright future with your interest. How the platform is big, let's see. Particularly in science, if the broadly the subjects that are PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and PCB. This is physics, chemistry, biology. On this basis, the career has been chosen. Physics, chemistry is compulsory. You have a good mathematics, then it has just certain different lines are there. If you are good in biology, it has some different lines or different options are there. Neither of this, you have diploma course also is there. So you have three ways or three open lines or three lines are open to have your bright career. Now let's take with PCB what are the or what lines you can choose, and PCM and diploma. I have collected this information for you, and you will see how the science platform is very big. Let's go to the PCM. If let's go to the PCB with your 12th science project, physics, chemistry, and biology. With PCB option, you can go for MBBS, that we are saying medical, BAMS, Ayurvedic, BHMS, homeotherapy, BUMS, Unani, BDS, that is dental, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, Bachelor of Neuropathy and Yogi Science, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Integrated MSc, BSc Nursing, BSc Dairy Technology, BSc Home Science, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Biotechnology, General Nursing, BMLT, Medical Lab Technology, Paramedical courses, BSc degree, BA, LLB, Education BA here, that is you can switch up to arts or commerce. Now Bachelor of Law, education sector you can enter. You have travel tourism courses, environmental science, fashion technology, hotel management, designing courses, journalism courses, media journalism courses, film television courses, CA program, ICW program, CS program. So all these lines are opens to you if you are taking PCB as a subject. As a area of interest, it is not only medical. We are not talking about medical only. There are many lines are there. And if you will go to the current scenario, this environmental science is in high demand, as well as you can have those who are a little bit veterinary is good opportunity, BSc nursing is there, and in general line integrated MSc is there. It is also a very good choice. Nursing is there, medical lab technology is there, paramedical courses are there, general BSc degree is there, so Bachelor of Pharmacy is there, BSc Home Science is there. So many lines are open to you if you are taking physics, chemistry and biology as your subject. But remember, in today's time you can take 4 subjects and all equally important. Physics, chemistry, biology, IT you can take, physics, chemistry, mathematics, IT you can take, or physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics you can also take, PCBM or PCMB. And in particularly in these colleges or colleges of your area, they don't have some other option like statistics, geology, art science. These are not available to your area. But I am talking, that's why, about those 5 subjects: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, IT. Out of these you have to take 4 subjects. So this is the career perspective with physics, chemistry and biology. And if you have the PCM subject, that physics, chemistry and mathematics, then you can have the line engineering, that we are saying BTech, architecture, Bachelor in Architecture, integrated MSc, BCA, BCom. You can enter to the defense line, that is by qualifying the NDA exam, and in a year 2 times NDA is conducting this NDA is conducting exam, or NDA exam is 2 times in a year. That NDA includes Navy, Army, Air Force, BSc degree, LLB, integrated law, travel tourism courses, environmental science, fashion technology, hotel management, designing courses, media journalism courses, CA program, ICW program, CS program. So these are common. It is not that you can only have biology or PCB student can go. Environmental science can be studied by physics, chemistry, mathematics student also. That's why both are common in this category. Apart from all these, there are some diploma which are not giving, that will not, or diploma courses means you are not becoming a graduate after completing this, but after completing all this you are becoming a graduate. So in diploma you can have diploma in beauty, culture and hairdressing, fashion designing, dress designing, web designing, graphic designing, information technology, physical medicine and rehabilitation, animation and multimedia, print media, journalism and communication, mass communication, animation, filmmaking, air hostess. So all these are the areas open to you if you are taking as your subject, or if you are taking science as your subject. Now for your information, if you have any interest in any area, just go to the Google and search this. Just enter this, so suppose you are interested with engineering, put engineering, there will be many options will be in your Google. Engineering field only different achi. So these are the many areas you can cover if, or you have option if you are taking science as your subject. And this perspective of science makes is, or make you more comfortable if, or rather than arts, or arts and commerce. Again I am saying, I am not saying that arts is bad or commerce is not equally good with arts and science. No, there is no comparison, such comparison. In any field you are entering, you have to do hard labor, and there is no other option, if there is no alternative to the hard labor, remember. But I am giving you an idea what science can help you if you are taking science as your subject. Now let's go to the common myth. Common myth means आमर लोकालिटी रे साइंस को लेकिन जो भाया डिस्कसन हुए मु ता ऊपर बेस्ट करिकी किसी तुमको कहबी. आई विल नॉट डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज साइंस, वी विल डिस्कस इट लेटर ऑन. प्रथमे साइंस नबा आगरु आम भितर किसी माने किसी आम लोकालिटी रे किसी डिस्कशंस हुए. जेमती कि मु देखी आई हैव टॉक टू द पेरेंट्स. पेरेंट्स भी मते कहिसंती, पिला माने भी मते कहिसंती जे सर फास्ट तो समस्त माइंड रे गुटे आसे साइंस इज डिफिकल्ट. एटा गोटे समस्त माइंड रे गोटे प्रथम क्वेश्चन गोटे आसे जे साइंस आर टिके डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, हाउ कैन आई मैनेज इट. तापर पिलांकर गोटे क्वेश्चन आसे सर साइंस तो सब इंग्लिश रे लिखिबा को पड़बो, एवरीथिंग आई हैव टू राइट इन इंग्लिश. yes it is correct, and so sir, and my English is not good, so how can I manage science. And some students or some people say that your 10th mark is not up to the mark, you cannot take science. Tomar 10th mark not, or 10th mark is not good. E keteta achi 10th mark is if not good, then you cannot do well in science. एमती केतेटा डिस्कशन आमर जनरल सोसाइटी रे प्राय सबु बेले हुए. And actually believe me, all this discussion are just a foolish discussion, I will say right now, because that are making you fear, and that are discouraging you about the science. Let me make you clear that science is not difficult at all. In science, English has some role, but it has not so many significant that it will decide your career. No, I will prove it. And if your 10th mark is not good, then it is not an issue. Suppose there may be many cases will be there for not having a 10th good mark. तुम देह खराब होता है पारे, से वर्ष क्वेश्चन बेसी डिफिकल्ट आसी थाई पारे, कौन सी गोटे परिस्थिति तुम 10th एग्जाम पढ़ाई आग्रह हो नथिबो, से 10th टाइम रे भी मे बी परीक्षा पाखापाखि से भी 10th रिजल्ट खराब हो पारे. तो 10th रिजल्ट जदि खराब हो जाए ताहले तुम साइंस रे भल करिवो नै, एटा कोनोसी बही रे बा कौन सी जगह लिखा है ना. आई हैव सीन द स्टूडेंट जार 10th मार्क 55% अच्छी, किंतु से पीएससी +2 साइंस रे तुम यही लोकालिटी रू ही +2 साइंस रे सी 65% नहीं की जाउची. एंड अगेन आई हैव आल्सो सीन द स्टूडेंट in 10th having 80%, but in +2 they are having 50%. Now what is the difference? Why from 55 to 65 one is moving and 80% one is moving to 50%? We will see. And I am saying English is not so much important. So what is important, then we can check here. Now let's see how English is not so important. English means we are basic, or we are discussing about the, particularly in our school or in our tuitions, we have heard that English grammar is very tough. and your grammar has to be correct. And if your grammar is not correct or your tense is not correct, then you feel always shy or always scary about the English. Now I am writing a statement in English. I am writing two statement actually. I am writing two statement. One statement is earth is revolving around sun. This is one statement I am writing. And another statement I am writing, sun is revolving around earth. If you will ask this statement to a English teacher or to anyone with respect to grammar, both these statements are correct. There is nothing wrong with these two statements. Earth is revolving around sun. Sun is revolving around earth. Both statements are grammatically correct with respect to English. But if you will go to science, according to science, we know that earth is revolving around sun. So this statement is correct. But this statement is totally wrong according to science. Your English is good. English is okay. But according to science, this is wrong because this is not truth. Science is based on truth actually. Science means searching of the reality, searching of the truth, searching of the knowledge. This is science we will discuss. Now let's compare it. Suppose one mark question is there. It is a student A, it is student B, and student C has written earth revolves around sun. I know this statement. Let's suppose earth revolve around sun. This statement you can say maybe little bit wrong with respect to English. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ପୃଥିବୀ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚାରିପଟେ ଘୁରୁଅଛି ଯଦି ମୁଁ କହିବି ତାହେଲେ this statement may be wrong, but I can give full mark here because your science is correct. Here the teacher can understand what is the science, and I will not say whether S will be there or not, or if I will the around the sun the is there or not. But this statement is understandable, but this is not correct according to science. So we have to very clear that in science English has also an important role. It is not like that without English you can do well in science, but English is not the only criteria to do well in science. Because this is simply a language. English is a language. Language is something that it is expressing our feelings. It has not many or other things. English is something, it is only language to express your thinking. So it has not so many significant in science. So what is significant in science? In science the significant is your understanding. If you are understanding, if you are understanding on the topic or on the subject, then definitely you can do well in science. And you know that today's time we all have objective test in all big exam or in all high level exam of our country, चाहे medical को हो, engineering को हो, सबुतरे objective test हो जी. Because the motto is that we are not comparing the English knowledge of the student. That's why we are just asking the question. You have 4 options, A, B, C, D. You can go for anyone. So understanding is most important in science. Then you will go to the English. So कौनसे भी topic रे, it is first priority is your understanding. Second is your English. No, I will say second also. English is just way to express your knowledge. And why we are discussing, or why actually we can say that, sir, why we are reading science in English if it is not significant? Why we are not reading in Odia or in Hindi language? It is because science has the beauty that science is not going to change in any country. In every country the science is same. So as English is your international language, that's why we are reading science in इंग्लीश बिकज आम जी साइंस को जी ओडिया रे पढ़ा आम जी ओडिया रे जाकर अमेरिका साइंस कहवा दे विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बिकज दे डोंट नो ओडिया आम अमेरिका रे कहीं आम से ओडिया रे साइंस पढ़ी जाकि आम बेंगल भी कहि परिबाने बंगाली रे साइंस कहबाक पड़वा तो से रीजनल लैंग्वेज रे साइंस को पढ़ा न होइकी ताको इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश रे साइंस को पढ़ा होची सो दैट वी कैन मेक द वर्ल्ड अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट आई नो अबाउट साइंस समस्त को यूनिक बा समस्त को बुझे हेबो जदि आम इंग्लिश रे ताको पढ़ुछु सो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इन साइंस इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So if you have a better understanding about the topic, then English is not an issue. And I think you have some idea that whether you should take science or not. There is three things I am saying you can science will be a better option for you. First is that it has a very big platform for your career, and I have already shown it. You can make a screenshot of all this. And in science English is not a big issue, and in science understanding is your issue, or understanding is most important thing. And the best thing about science is that with a science background you are searching the truth. कौन से भी टॉपिक रो ट्रूथ को जानिबा पाई हेले कौन से भी सब्जेक्ट रो ट्रूथ पाई आमे साइंस पढ़ू ट्रूथ जान टू नो द ट्रूथ दैट इज व्हाट इज साइंस. And I will say in science that understanding is most important. And another, if you are taking as a science as a subject, you should have a habit to ask the question why. That's why actually I have made this video, because if somebody will ask you why you are taking science, then you can explain him that's why I am taking science. And if this behavior you have, or if this habit you have to asking the question why, definitely you will do well in science. Suppose teacher is making you understand something and you are not getting it, you will ask question why. And in science you have to get this habit to asking the question why. Being a science student, you cannot randomly do if someone will order. If you are not clear about that order, you should not follow to that order. जदि तुमको के कहूची you go to this college, you will ask the question why. You have to make me convince being a science student. Okay, now let's go to that science what it is. Science is coming from the Latin word that is scientia. And scientia means it is a Latin word scientia, and this scientia means knowledge. It is coming from the Latin word scientia and it means knowledge. Remember, in no exam you will be asked from which Latin word science is coming. So don't worry about the exam right now. That's what question will come, how I will appear the exam, as it is a introduction class. So this is coming from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Now we can go for the definition. Science is the specific and systematic knowledge. It is not it has not multi dimension. Science को तुम कौन से भी जगह रे जी तुम कहबो it is fixed, it is निर्दिष्ट. आम स्पेसिफिक माने निर्दिष्ट कहूछु जोटा. सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज माने आम कौन सी गोटे प्रोसेस रे जाउछु. सपोज यू आर स्टडिंग अबाउट द डाइजेशन सिस्टम तुम साइंस से पढ़ुच. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पूरा सीरियली तुमको पढ़वार अच्छी. यू आर टेकिंग फूड इन योर माउथ. टंग रे कौन है, टंग रु आसला परे आमर गलारे काण है, तापर आम पाकस्थली की गला पर केन स्टेप पर काण आसूचे, से सब तुम सीरियली पढ़ुच. रेंडमली यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग द साइंस. दैट यू आर सेइंग सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज. आम गोटे बॉडी तुम जी मेडिकल स्टूडेंट मान को जान कौन से मेडिकल स्टूडेंट जदि कि मेडिकल रे कि डॉक्टरी पढ़ुथबो कौन से एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट को तुम पचारब फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर रे दे फर्स्ट रीड अबाउट द हेड. प्रथम हेड विषय से डिटेल पढ़बे. हेड पर तुम फोर आर्म आसब, हैंड आसब, चेस्ट आसीबो बेली आसीबो तापर लेग सो दैट्स हाउ साइंस इज सिस्टमेटिक जहाँ विषय भी पढ़ुछु सपोज ए civil engineering student is there he will read about the architecture how to design a building how to design a house गोटे मंदिर केमती बना हबो सेने ताको पचरा जीव ना जे तोर माने गोटे बोन तार जनकर जदि बोन डैमेज बा जनकर जे एक्सीडेंट हो जाइछि से जगह रे तार हाथ की गोड़ रे भांगी जाइछि गोटे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट केबे पचरा नै होय जे हाउ कैन यू जॉइन इट बाइना काଣା ट्रीटमेंट करा जावा तार लागि सेपरेट साइंस रो एरिया अछि डॉक्टरी पाठ तार लागि अछि सो यू कैन हैव यू इन साइंस यू हैव ए स्पेसिफिक एंड सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज माने गोटे कोनोसी रे पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस रे आमे नॉलेज की गेन करूछु जेन समस्तंगर एरिया अलग अलग कर दिया है साइंस रे एंड इन साइंस वी रेगुलरली स्टडी अबाउट द नेचर एंड नेचुरल थिंग्स बिहेवियर आमे नेचर विषय रे पढ़ू आउ आमर नेचुरल बिहेवियर विषय रे पढ़ू जनरली नेचुरल थिंग्स बिहेवियर माने इन साइंस वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट दैट इज इन साइंस वी डिस्कस अबाउट द लाइफ in science we are discussing about the about human beings in science we are discussing about the plant how plant behaves how human being behaves that's I am saying the natural things behavior and or we are studying about the nature and basically in science we refers to a system आमे साइंस रे एमती गोटे व्यवस्था रे आमे अछु जो जगह रे के आमे नॉलेज तो गेन करूछु but we are not gaining the knowledge just randomly we are gaining the knowledge by experiment and observation आमे प्रथमे परीक्षा करूछु ऑब्जर्व करूछु तापरे आमे सेठु आमे नॉलेज गेन करूछु randomly किए जदि हमकु कहि देबो it is like this we will not believe हमकु सेही जिंसटा को परीक्षा करी की ऑब्जर्व करी की कंक्लूजन रे पहुंचीबा के पड़बा तो साइंस स्टूडेंट माने सब बेले एक्सपेरिमेंट उपरे आउ से एक्सपेरिमेंट रो ऑब्जर्वेशन को देखि कि ही कंक्लूजन रे पहुंचीबे जने कहि देले सेटा हेइ जीवो दैट इज नॉट द बेसिस ऑफ साइंस दैट्स आई हैव ए टैगलाइन साइंस मींस सर्चिंग ऑफ रियलिटी सत्यर संधान ही होउची साइंस वास्तविकतार अनुसंधान को हमें साइंस कहबा एंड नॉलेज मींस फीलिंग ऑफ रियलिटी माने वास्तविकता को अनुभव करिवा वास्तविकता को व्यवहार करिवा जेंति कि मोबाइल आमे मोबाइलटा तैयारी करा जाय परबा दैट साइंस हैज मेड इट पॉसिबल मोबाइल तैयारी हैला दैट इज सर्चिंग ऑफ रियलिटी से मोबाइल को आमे व्यवहार करूछु दैट इज द नॉलेज मींस फीलिंग ऑफ रियलिटी यू आर एंजॉयिंग द मोबाइल दैट्स कन फीलिंग ऑफ रियलिटी से रियलिटी को आमे एंजॉय करूछु दैट इज द नॉलेज मींस फीलिंग ऑफ रियलिटी and science means searching of reality and this video will end with three things about science most important or that I will say lastly that in science you will have three things most important in science one is your okay let's sorry we will continue this video a little bit more three things here important one is sorry I think there is some problem okay it's okay now three things one is you have to do experiment you have to observe it observation then only you will go to the conclusion this is the three steps in science I will add one more thing here that you have to be innovative in science innovative means you have to think in a different way from others टीचर जो एग्जांपल देले ता एग्जांपल टीचर को एग्जांपल बाहरे तुमको आउ किछि एग्जांपल से टॉपिक विषय रे सर्च करबा को पड़िबो इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इन दैट वे means you are not enjoying science कारण साइंस माने नेचर रे वास्ट एग्जांपल अछि बहुत गुडा एग्जांपल अछि आ टीचर सब एग्जांपल देबार संभव नय टीचर गोटे एग्जांपल देबे इफ with your innovativeness you can extend that example to some others phenomenon of the nature then that is a sign you can do well in science so you have to be innovative जदि आमे कहवा न्यूटन तुम जान फल पड़ूला एप्पल इज फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द ट्री टू द बॉटम से टाइम रे न्यूटन ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स रो डिस्कवर करथिले कौन ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स डिस्कवर हबार आगु फल पड़ू नथिला आगु भी फल पड़ूला बट स्टिल व्हाई वी आर remembering Newton's because he was innovative. He thought that why this fruit is falling or why this apple is falling. That's why I'm saying you have to be innovative from other. And remember, to do well in science, you have to be innovative. You have to be different from others. कौन सी भी कंटेंट जदि पढ़ा होची जो क्वेश्चन अन्य माने कहीं पचारि पारिबे नथिबे तुम भितर से क्वेश्चन आसीबा कथा यू शुड हैव दैट इनोवेटिवनेस एंड इट इज इन ए पॉजिटिव सेंस आ इनोवेटिव रो माने एटा नुहे जे जण समस्त आम राइट हैंड साइड रे जाउथबे मु लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे जीवी दैट इज अ फनी थिंग वन कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट सर हैज टोल्ड इनोवेटिव सो आई विल डू इट इन दिस वे नो innovativeness in a positive sense. Okay, so let's go to some branches of or what is science. We have discussed or we have completed this discussion that what is science. Now we will or I will explain how this science has been classified or what are the branches of science are there. Basically this science is let me make it clear here. Science has two parts. One is science is divided into two category. One is natural science and another one is social science. In social science you have psychology and sociology, and basically these are the not common area of science that has been taught you in your locality. So we will not focus on social science, we will focus on natural science. Again, natural science is divided into three classes. One is biological science, one is physical science, another one is art science. In biological science you read about or you studied about the living world. Living world माने जीवन थिबार वस्तु मानकर विषय रे हमें पढुछु जेंते कि ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड प्लांट्स, एंड दैट एरिया कवर्स botany, zoology and ecology. This is biological science. In physical science you read about the matter and energy. What is matter, what is energy, that will be discussed in your regular classes. से टाइम रे पढ़ा जीव मैटर काना एनर्जी काना. So don't be or don't feel uncomfortable that sir has not explained what is matter and what is energy. I will explain it in chemistry actually. So physical science, it is the science of matter and energy. Here it includes physics and chemistry. Then earth science. Earth science, that is the science of our planet. आमर planet विषय रे बा आमर पृथ्वी ग्रह विषय रे जो साइंस डील करूची ताको हमें अर्थ साइंस कहूछु. And that is two subjects are there, geology and meteorology. So this is the classification of science, and I hope this video lecture will help you to choose science as your stream, because I have explained you what you are going to read in plus 2 science, and as well as after plus 2 science or after by taking plus 2 science what career objective you have, I have explained it. Thank you my dear students. In the next class or in the next video lecture we will discuss about chemistry. As I am a chemistry lecturer, I will talk about chemistry. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.